Hey everyone, it's me, Lisa Lilly, and also known as Hungry Girl. I'm here with my adorable mom. Hi, Mom.
Hello.
So we've been doing these taste tests together and we're having a really great time, right?
Oh, so much fun.
So much fun. Well, today I'm surprising you with an unexpected item. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
This is pickle-flavored cotton candy.
Oh, God.
What do you think that sounds like to you?
Something kind of silly.
Silly, sweet, and kind of scary, but I don't understand who made it. I think everyone's making everything pickle because people are obsessed with pickles. Do you like pickles?
I like pickles, but not with cotton candy.
How do you know? Don't you love cotton candy?
I love cotton candy.
And you love pickles?
Yes.
So how do you know you're not going to love pickle
let's
cotton
see
candy?
what happens.
Okay, fine. All right, this is, first of all, it is green.
Oh, it smells like pickles.
It smells like dill, right?
Yes.
It smells like a scratch and sniff dill sticker, like from my childhood. All right, so just grab that little piece.
This?
Yeah, just grab that. Oh, that's a big piece. Oh, that's tremendous. 1, 2, 3. It's not terrible.
It's not terrible. I cannot tell you what it tastes like.
It tastes like dill cotton candy. All right, take another bite. I just want you to describe it.
It melts in your mouth like cotton candy.
It's weird. Would you ever eat it again?
I doubt it.
Would you give it as a gift?
Never.
What are we going to do with this right now?
Trash it.
Okay, you're a good sport. Thank you. Bye. Psst, make sure you follow me for more taste tests with Hungry Mom.